All right. I'm done. Oh.
Somebody's pulled up in the truck.
All right, here's Trevor.
That hurt.
Oh.
Nice push.
You do back, I'll be
We're ready. Gotta count it down, Greg. Whoa, whoa.
Wow.
One.
One!
Hit that one a little hard.
Oh, it looks like it's gonna rain.
Well,
Over
that was
there.
predicted, though.
Oh, great.
Are you cold? Do you have a towel?
All right, watch out.
Oh, that feels so good. I didn't think I was going to get in. That was
Isn't it perfect?
cold, but
Look at
They run one of those. what do
Mr.
you call
Quiet
it?
Shad up there drinking the beer. Look at him. Oh, he's gonna finish the beer before this.
Runs our air conditioning all year.
Hey, cuz.
Hey, cuz.
kind of a water, basically. Griffin Lake.
Yeah, how nice is this?
People up there.
I'll show you.
I'll show you.
Ouch!
Hit the needle.
Pins and needles.
Where's the Billy?
Who's up?
Billy, your turn.
Stop the video for a second. Let's be prepared.
I might lose my beer.
Hey, what's up? How you doing?